Getting more attractive after puberty is absolutely possible. And no, you don't need to do any surgery for this to happen. All you need to do is just train what I call the 4 key muscles every single day for around 1 to 3 months. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through all the exercises that I did that made me have the best glow up in my life. So you can have that kind of TikTok boy transformation as well. Step number 1, the 4 key facial muscles. So right before I tell you what the 4 key muscles are in your face that we need to train, I want you to actually understand that we were actually born with good genetics. Like there's no kid basically who doesn't have like good looks. When you think back, you probably looked pretty good as a child, but then as we grew older, we actually became more unattractive. So like when I was a young kid, I actually didn't really look that ugly as I did in my young teens. And that's because that I hadn't been having the time to actually do bad habits that actually transformed my face. So something that I want you to think about is that when you lay in your bed at nighttime, just like I did when I was younger, I used to like have my charger in my phone, so I could only lay on one of the sides to like see what's on like my phone, like when I scrolled like Instagram or when I watched like YouTube, right? So because I had it like on my side of the bed, I would also need to have my hand to support my face. So I usually had like my knuckle or my palm like this on my face. And the reason why this is so bad is because you apply pressure to one of the sides of your heads, which means that you're gonna get asymmetrical parts of your face. I literally learned this and I was like, holy fuck. And that's why the quick action step for this is that from now on, you will only lay with like a straight head, like lay on your back, because over time, the water will then flow naturally again to your face, which will make your face over time symmetrical and not asymmetrical. So now that you understand why we actually become more unattractive, I want you to know what I call the 4 key muscles. So the 4 key muscles is what's gonna turn you from an average boy or maybe under average to like a model. It's the 4 key muscles that made me become so much more attractive. And I did it in just 3 months. So the 4 key muscles are called the orbicularis, which is basically the muscle around your eye. Then we have the masseter muscles, which is basically the one that you can see on my jawline right here. You can see it activating right there. It's basically the muscle that gives you that really attractive jawline looking TikTok boy look. And then we have the hyoid bone. The hyoid bone is the muscle here around your throat area. Basically, when this is trained, your skin will tightens up, which will also give you that really attractive looking jawline. Then the last muscle is something called your palate. So your palate is split up in 2 different sections. We have the soft palate, which is the back third of the roof of our mouth. Then we have our hard palate, which is the front, which is basically the roof of our mouth right behind our teeth. The reason why this muscle is one of the most attractive muscles that we can train is because it's what gives us the forward growth. So you've probably heard about all the forward growth and the transformations on the internet, where people literally go from having this kind of recessed looking jawline to having this kind of jawline. And that is literally just because they train their palate, basically applying pressure towards it. So that jawline literally comes forward over time. And that is what I'm going to teach you how to do in the next step. But first, I just want you to say that I have a program in the top link of the description. It's where I teach you exactly how to train all of these muscles. But not only do I teach you how to train these muscles, I teach you, I literally look at like your technique and form, so I can review your form so you don't waste your time. Step number 2, how to train the 4 key facial muscles. So there's so much beef on the internet that literally says that you cannot change your face after puberty. But the interesting thing is that I was 18, almost 19, like a few months before I turned 19 years old. I started to really like lock in, like focus on all of these different muscles that we have in our face and training them, the 4 key muscles. And I instantly saw great results after just 1 month, especially around my eye area and my masseter muscles. So the thing is, don't get discouraged by the internet, because there's just so many people out there who's really not doing these different exercises, and that's why all they can say is really, oh, it doesn't really work. Or maybe they tried it, but they tried it for like 1 week consistently, and then they didn't really see any results. So they were like, oh no, this doesn't work. So please trust me. I promise you, if you just train these 4 muscles and the exercises that I'm about to show you, you will completely transform your face. Like, you will literally become like a model. So the exercise that I want you to do for your eye area muscle is something called, it actually doesn't really have a name, but it's training your eye. Let's call it the eye trainer. So the eye trainer is where we take our fingers at the end of our eyebrows, and then something that you've probably heard is that you just want to squint your eyes as hard as humanly possible. But a mistake that I see a lot of people do is that they close their eyes. We don't want to close our eyes when doing this exercise, because you will take the pressure away from the muscle. So here's what you're gonna do. Take your index fingers at the end of your eyebrows, and then we want to take a little bit of a muscle here. Like, if you do it right now, do it with me so you can feel this. You can do this anywhere. You can feel, if you do right at the end of your eyebrows, if you go inwards and you try to go upwards here, you can feel that you have some muscle here, like some muscle tissues. We want to pull that with our index fingers. So we want to pull upwards here, but not only upwards. When we have pulled upwards, we want to twist our fingers to the side. Did you see what I just did? I pulled upwards, but then I twisted my fingers, kind of trying to tear my eyebrows to the side. So we go upwards and then sideways, basically. Now you should be able to feel like a stretch all the way around your eyebrows here, and that's perfect. What we then want to do now is that we want to go downwards like this, as hard as you can possibly do, but you don't want to close your eyes. That's the interesting part, because that's where you're gonna keep the tension on. And for the masseter muscles, the muscles that we had here in our jawline, we want to do something called the prayer. The prayer is where we literally, as the name implies, we want to take our hands together like we were about to do a prayer. And then our thumbs here is what's gonna do the interesting work here. What the thumb's gonna do is that we wanna apply pressure upwards towards our chin. When we apply pressure upwards, the interesting part is that we wanna resist with our jawline here downwards. Like that. So we apply pressure upwards, and then we resist downwards with our jawline. You can literally feel this muscle burn a hell of a lot after just a few couple of reps, but you just want to do this absolutely till failure. So the next muscle is our hyoid bone, the muscle around our throat area that was going to tighten our skin upwards. So the way that we actually train this, like the action step that I want you to take, is that you want to lie at the end of your bedroom. And then every single night before you go to bed, so you remember doing this, you are literally gonna hang off with like your head. Like, I will also show like a video of me doing it. And then you would try to tilt your head backwards as much as possible, because that's something that you can literally do with me right now to test it. So if you're sitting down just like I am, or if you're sitting in your bed, do this with me right now. Tilt your head backwards like this as much as possible. And then you should be able to feel already a stretch. I already feel it now, a stretch around your throat area. That is literally your hyoid bone muscle getting worked. And then what you just want to do is that you want to think about rolling your neck and then thinking about touching your chin here into this area. You can see like we all have like a hole here in our like upper chest, like neck area, and that's where you want to aim your chin to touch. And you should be able to feel a massive burn right here around your throat after a couple of reps. Then for our palate, you know, as I talked about, we had two parts, the soft palate and the hard palate. But I didn't really tell you what these two different things do. So the soft palate is basically when we apply pressure to that, you know, the back third of our mouth, we will actually open our airways through our nose so we will be able to breathe better. But that's not really what we want to do. What we want to do is become more attractive, and that's why we want to apply pressure to our hard palate, which was right behind our teeth on the front part. And some people may say, oh, but this will fuck up like your teeth alignment. Only if you apply your pressure with your tongue on like your teeth. You're not gonna apply the pressure on your teeth. It's on your palate, basically that part of your mouth. I will also show like a picture of the anatomy. That's where you want to apply the pressure, not on your teeth. If you can feel your teeth, stop right away. Like it's on your palate that you want to do it. The way that we want to do it is that we just want to do something called mewing. You have probably heard about mewing, right? But you're probably doing mewing wrong, because first of all, we want to mew as much as possible. Like I'm not even joking. Whenever you do something like you're riding your bike, if you're working, you want to be mewing. And the way that we want to mew is that we take the tip of our tongue like this against the roof of our mouth. And then a good thumb rule that you can like remember is when you have gotten the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth, you say "n", because that will flatten your tongue out and apply more pressure towards your palate. So do it with me like this. You can see my tongue here is sticking out like this, like you can see the difference. Now I'm mewing. You should be able to see that as well. That is basically just showing that it's kind of working. And then you should feel a burn pretty quickly when you apply a lot of pressure upwards, like around up in your palate. But the thing is, the form can be pretty difficult to get down, and that's exactly why I have made a program. Because in this program, I literally like review your form. So we literally go on a call together, or you send me a video about you doing the form, and I will literally tell you all the things that you're doing wrong and the things that you're doing right and how to correct them. Because this will just save you so much time. This will make you actually get the transformation in 1 to 3 months instead of having to wait like 6 to 12 months. Think about how much time that will save you for literally just $20. Again, it's the top link of the description. So step number 3, does your body actually have a matter in saying about your attractiveness? And to answer this question, I texted 5 different girls that I know. And I sent them 5 different pictures of 5 different physiques. Anywhere from like skinny, and then from ultra masculine, and then also an overweight person. And can you guess which body was actually the most attractive? Because there's so many people on the internet saying that the skinny TikTok boy is the most attractive. Oh no. That body is the most attractive one. But can you actually guess which one actually was the most attractive out of these 5 different pictures? It was the aesthetic physique, which was my physique that I actually sent them. And I literally cut it out the head of like the pictures so they couldn't tell if it was just because somebody was attractive or ugly. But that's when I remembered something, because usually girls are feminine. And that's why they are attracted to a masculine guy, because it's the opposite. And that's why I thought, but why was the most masculine guy on the picture, you know, the one with the most muscle, not more attractive than me? And that's when I figured out to ask myself, there must be some proportions that are that has to be trained more than just thinking about the size, because clearly girls found me the most attractive. And that's why I have called it the 7 aesthetic muscles. The 7 aesthetic muscles are the following. It's your neck, your upper traps, it is your upper chest, it is your lateral delts, it is your lats, your biceps, and your abs. If you just train these 7 aesthetic muscles and you train your 4 key facial muscles, you will become top tier model. You will literally become the top 1% of attractive people in the entire world. And that is literally also what I teach inside of my program. So not only do I review your form online and teach you about the facial muscles that will literally turn you into a model, I also teach you about the 7 aesthetic muscles. I teach you exactly the workout plan that will be specified for you. So for example, let's say that you have bigger biceps and you don't really know what to train now. Or let's say that you have big lats, but you don't know what to train now. Then I will literally customize, make a program for you so you don't have to worry about it anymore. I will literally also review your form at the gym, all of these different things. Again, it's the top link of the description. All the details are there. So now that we are at the end of this video, I really want to say a thank you and be proud of you actually, because you have been taking your time to actually educate yourself. You're not some loser wasting your time on Netflix right now. Doesn't it feel great that you actually know that there's a way to actually improve our facial looks? I was so happy when I figured this out, because the thing is, it can honestly be brutal to just think that you're just ugly and you can't do shit about it, because it has such a huge hit on your confidence as well. Like, you just won't be as confident as the pretty guy when talking to a girl. And that's what I want to give to you, to become that more confident, but not just confident, but actually be good looking as well. And that's exactly what this channel is for. And that is why that if you want to become the most attractive version of yourself, then I will highly recommend you to go down and click subscribe to my channel. It's exactly what I teach on this channel. If you want to keep on learning, then have a look at this video right here to keep on learning and keep improving, so you can become the most attractive version of yourself as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, bro. Mwah!